Hey everyone, welcome back into our Friday night weather. Mike Schultz with you once again. Another great day. Lots of sunshine across the interior. We're expecting that to continue tomorrow and into most of Sunday. After that, things start to change a little bit. We'll tell you about that in just a little bit. Photograph night sent in by Alan Odom. He was at Birch Lake, was able to capture this wonderful photograph here. Again, on Birch Lake. Lake looks pretty big, doesn't it? I've heard a lot of good fishing coming out of there too. And again, as always, if you have a photograph to share, by all means, send it to photos@ktvf11.com. Here's your numbers at the airport. 56 after a high of 55. The lows last night, 27. Record high, 69, 1934. Record low, 11 in 1909. Now the sunrise and sunset, right around 11 hours and 44 minutes of daylight, a loss of 6 minutes from yesterday. On our satellite picture, things have changed since yesterday. We're getting more moisture coming up from the south. This is expected to bring widespread rain to the southern half of the state, especially over southeast Alaska, where it's raining as we speak. But it won't make it past the Alaska Range for a couple days at least. We're looking at this trough of low pressure coming in from the west. That's going to be bringing us in more moisture and colder temperatures and a possibility of some of that white stuff too. We'll talk more about that in a little bit. Across the state, we have cloudy skies around Juneau and Ketchikan, partly cloudy skies, 65 degrees there. Not too bad around Anchorage, 57 degrees. Some clouds at Kodiak Island. Along the Aleutian chain, cloudy skies at Cold Bay up and down the west coast. Mainly partly cloudy skies, and then you get to the North Slope, Barrow at 30 degrees and cloudy skies. Lower 48 weather starting with the northwest. We're looking at things clearing up over the Pacific Northwest, 68 degrees at Seattle, but even warmer. It's Portland, 74 degrees there. Idaho Falls reporting some showers, and then Denver, almost 90 degrees. What a change. Heading across the east, you can see 79 degrees in Chicago, 86 degrees in Nashville, 77 and 78 at New York and Washington, D.C. Over the southeast, looking at 71 degrees at Charlotte, 84 degrees thunderstorms in the New Orleans area, and Dallas at 87 degrees. Well, back to the west we go, and looking at very warm temperatures and thunderstorms rumbling as we speak around the Las Vegas area, 101 degrees at Phoenix, Los Angeles at 83. On the satellite and radar, you can see those storms start to develop in the afternoon right around the Las Vegas area, really streaming, and a lot of heavy rain expected there. More thunderstorms and rain coming across the deep south. Other than that, things looks pretty good. In fact, over the eastern half of the country, we're looking at mainly partly cloudy skies. And the overall outlook for Saturday is calling for much cooler air moving back in, which means a better chance of getting hold of all those fires that are going on in California. But a flash flood risk will continue across the western states. Now, the overall outlook for next week, look how far that jet stream goes way up to the north. That means nothing but warm and dry conditions over the western half of the country and humid and thunderstorm activity over the southeast. Okay, back to Alaska for tomorrow. The northern sections, mostly cloudy skies for Barrow, clouds and showers at Nome, and mostly sunny skies in Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, looking at plenty of sunshine for Healy, Delta Junction, and the Fairbanks area. And as far as southeast Alaska, rain will become heavy for both Juneau and Ketchikan by evening. While out to the southwest, it looks like for the most part, partly cloudy skies at Cold Bay, sunny in Bethel with more rain expected at Kodiak. And if you head on down the Anchorage area, take an umbrella because they're looking for widespread rain for Valdez, Homer, and Anchorage. Okay, here's your forecast for the remainder of the night. And again, we're looking at 27 degrees, a cold night again, a few clouds, possibly some auroras. It's a pretty good level. It's up to about a 4 right now, which is pretty impressive. Tomorrow's forecast, looking for lots of sunshine, 49 degrees, but a little cooler than it was today. And the overall outlook is calling for maybe clouds and snow showers moving in by Sunday evening. That will continue into Monday. Then Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, mainly partly cloudy skies. Daytime highs right around the mid-40s each day. Overnight lows at a pretty good number, right around 30 degrees. And overall, it looks like most of the weekend should be good. We're looking at, like I said, maybe some auroras later on tonight, so keep an eye out for that.